Hi, I'm John Emerson, Senior Industrial Hygienist with Intertek-PSI South Florida Environmental Group. I'm talking to you today from an asbestos abatement project site that we're currently serving as the owner's consultant on. We got involved with this project when the general contractor that was conducting renovation discovered a material that was suspect of containing asbestos. We came in and did an assessment of this material, and indeed it was asbestos containing. We also determined that it was the same materials that they had already been removing. Therefore, we advised the owner that there was a very good potential that there was asbestos contamination throughout the site. At that point, we suggested to have the entire site contained so that we can conduct an assessment of the full site to determine the extent of this contamination. Upon our assessment, it was determined that there was contamination throughout, and we advised the owner at that point to bring in an abatement contractor to begin decontamination of all surfaces throughout the facility. Due to the extent of the contamination and the time frame to get the renovation actions back on track, additional abatement contractors have been brought in. Currently, we're overseeing 5 abatement contractors that are involved with the decontamination of the entire site. Had the contractor called us initially before they started any renovation, we would have been able to do an assessment of all affected materials and then provide recommendations of any material that was found to be asbestos containing. So keep that in mind. On your next renovation or demolition project, give us a call. We'll come out and do an assessment of all affected materials and to be able to provide recommendations of any asbestos containing material, lead-based paint, or any other hazardous materials and the proper handling. Thanks and have a great day.